Discussions are still going on regarding that administrative order issued by the former ombudsman. However, it is the hope of the ombudsman that an MR will no longer be required for an appeal to be made to the Supreme Court. Dahil po, usually MR is used as a precondition para pag appeal mo, sasabihin mo, I exhausted all my remedies down below. Pero sa tingin po natin, at kagaya din po sa DOJ, hindi na po kailangan ng motion for reconsideration para mag-file ang petition for review sa DOJ proper. In the same sense, we want to consider the motion for reconsideration and maybe just doing away with that requisite na para lang makapag-appeal, hindi mo na kailangan mag-MR. Kung if you disagree with the decision, you can already appeal it to the Supreme Court without necessarily filing a motion for reconsideration. But again, this is all still discussions. No? So, yung effect po kasi ng ginawa ng dating ombudsman, he effectively barred the appeal. Dahil if a motion for reconsideration is a precondition to the filing of an appeal, and he said here his policy was do not file a motion for reconsideration, that means an appeal is no longer possible. Tama po ba? So, ngayon, the ombudsman in a discussion earlier mentioned na sana yung motion for reconsideration ay hindi maging requisite para mag-file pa ng appeal.
Sorry sir, how does it work if ever, halimbawa, kung ibang case, ibang case, natalo yung ombudsman under your watch na, parang ano yung parang ini-envision ni Ombudsman Remulla this time kapag natalo sa
Appeal
Supreme
agad.
Court diretso?
Appeal agad. Kasi
okay.
sa tingin ho niya, matatagalan na lang po yung kaso pag mag-file ka pa ng MR, most of the time, maybe 90% of the time, the judgment is the same. Diba? So, instead of having to file an MR, which is purely ministerial on the part of
Sandigan Bayan.
Yes, oo. Magka-file na lang kaagad sa Supreme Court para mas mapabilis pa yung resolution and finally, the case can be put to rest.
Thank you, sir.